Lucky day, my lord. Avenida de Coloane is going through changes, changes in Macau. Ooh, changes in Macau. Avenida de Locoy, connecting to the train line. Avenida de Locoy, slices of Macau. Going through changes, changes in Avenida de Locoy. Ooh, changes in Avenida de Locoy, connecting to the train line. Avenida de Locoy, slices of Macau.
Avenida Lokai. So this street is changing because of this big station up here. We'll try to capture that. Maybe we'll even go up it a little bit as well. Let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And I'm gonna try to move along quickly. Okay, up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so that's where we're at, and I guess the best way to approach this is to go up and around. So this is kind of something called Playa Park, this area, and I think we can go up the elevator, so we're going to go up there first. And I don't know if this is all part of Lokai or not, but this, you can kind of see the sunset coming in, but now they have a train line right here at Avenida Lokai. So we're gonna go up that way. Let's go up there first. Just to give you some references, that's Coloane Market and Playa Park. So we're gonna take the escalator up, and then this goes all the way down to, I think that in the distance is Hingqin, all the way down that way. So we're gonna go up this way and go up to up there. Okay, so now we have a train line up here, and then also up here you can also see it's part of the Cotai Strip. So down that way is Galaxy Casino, and then this is a go-kart racetrack, so you can actually go all the way over there as well. And we're going to be walking down our Target in a little bit, and then this particular station, it's quite busy. This is the name of it. Actually, we'll get the name here. So, okay. So let's just kind of take a look around a little bit. We'll just go all the way down here and try to capture. So this is our target street. Later we're going to do this one as well. So being up here, we can actually kind of get a better idea of what this looks like. I haven't been up here yet. And there's actually the racetrack right here, go-kart track. Huh. Never really had a good view of that. So we'll probably label this accordingly. We'll label it the street that we're on, and also that we're at there at this particular station. Okay. So that's the station name. And that's where you go to get tickets. And then our street is actually down below us, but we're going to go up above, and we can kind of see what's all around in here. So we started down that way. Coloane Market. Huh, there's more construction over here. We'll take a look over at that as well. So I don't know what all they have planned. So down below it says Lokai. Huh. So before I could see these, so I think I have filmed it before. I'll put it at the end. But I remember all of these cement things. So this was actually quite a bit different before. And then we'll see what it looks like in the future. I believe this is all part of Lokai as well. We'll just follow this around. And there's actually another street. This way in the distance is Coloane. And let's take a look over there real quick. Yeah, this will all be different in the future. So those hills are all like part of the Coloane. And then this is part of the station, so you can see the train line goes around like that. And this is actually the final stop at the moment. There's a train up there. But I think this is going to continue going. The track will continue going all the way down to, I believe it's going to go to, all the way down to Coloane Village, which is a few kilometers away. You can see some infrastructure here. So we're gonna just take a look around. Yeah, so actually this is marked by these big wide 4-lane roads with a big median in the middle. So, but whenever there's a spot for people to run across, they usually will. So they're not supposed to run down here, but a lot of times you'll see people running across here. Okay, we're gonna go around a little bit more. And I think this is also part of Lokai as well. Yeah, you can see there's one guy walking in the street right there. So usually people do walk across illegally. I think there's probably a lot of fatalities. Because right here you can see that nobody's supposed to walk, they're all supposed to go up. But a lot of times when I've been in this area, you'll see people run across there. Okay. So we're gonna keep on going around. And there's supposed to be another street down here, but I don't see it. I think what we're just gonna do is just go down. So, yep. In the distance, all these apartments here, they're called Praya Park. So I think this is like maybe the more social housing side, and then this side over here, the orange, is called Praya Park. So they'll have access to this train line now. So we're just gonna walk down. There's another street in here, but I saw it on the map, but I don't think I see it clearly where it is. But I think maybe it's this one over here. But anyways, we're going to go back to what I know is Macau Street. Let's see what they follow this. There's the elevator that goes down. So this street, they're actually harmonica. And then this street that we're on, check this out. There's a Macau right there. Coloane Market. Let me just briefly walk in. I got a pizza place in here too. It's kind of cool. So this is the Coloane Market. Huh. To capture that. More stuff down that way. My pizza. I think there's a few. So this have a grill day. So that's all right here too. Okay. And this is all definitely our street right here. So yeah, our street is kind of small. I guess we'll probably end it right over here. So now you can kind of get a sense of it. So basically this one involves all of this for the train line that's a rapid transit line. And then it leads into Harmonia as well. And then we have the Coloane Market as well. So that's the slice of Coloane. It's changed a lot because of this. It's going to continue to change. Okay, let's end it right there.